It's Corporal Medved again with the police department. I was talking about the Matrice 210 here, and it's a vital role to the Pueblo Police Department earlier. One incident that we used this in was approximately 1 year ago. There was a man suffering from a mental breakdown, basically, and he was lost approximately 2 miles south of town in a field. And if you can imagine how far that would be to walk that area to look for this gentleman, it would have taken hours for officers to find him. So we launched this Matrice 210, the one that's capable of FLIR technology. It has a FLIR camera, and we were able to locate this male. It was laying on the ground and guide officers towards him. Again, that would have taken officers probably hours to walk that area to find him based on the condition that he was in, the area he was in. So the drones are very vital to police work in this day and age. We use them for several things, not only just to locate people, but again for evidence collection as far as photographs and giving people the aerial perspective of an incident that may have occurred or a traffic accident. So I appreciate you joining us, talking about the drone unit. Thank you.